Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shackeria. Thank you so much for joining me today. It's been a while since I've done a makeup video, and this year I told myself I want to experiment a little bit more with makeup. So as my very first makeup video of the year, I wanted to go completely outside of my comfort zone and go for something dark, smoky, vampy, brownish, burgundy-ish, something just something completely different where I would not normally take my makeup. And I really like the way it came out. I'm not used to seeing myself like this, and when I put on a full face of makeup, it's always, interesting. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. That lets me know that you guys like my videos, and I really appreciate everyone who has been watching my videos and anyone who is new to my channel and will be continuing to watch my videos and to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so I have brought you guys in a little bit closer so that you guys can see my eyes, basically. So let's get started. Also, I forgot to mention I will be using the Morphe 3502 palette. It is one of my favorite palettes right now, and you guys will probably be seeing it a lot in my makeup videos because until I get something close to this, I'll be using it a lot. So let's get started. that is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for joining me today on my channel. I hope you guys like this makeup look. It's a little bit darker than I usually go, but I wanted to try something different, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. That lets me know that you guys enjoy my videos, and don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.